Hey, what's up guys? It's Rachel Angelica, one of the Bobbi Boss Gals of 2021, and I am back with another video on how to style these gorgeous butterfly locks. They are the Distressed Butterfly Locs and also the Calif Butterfly Locs. So if you didn't check out that video, go on ahead, go back and check out that video because you need to figure out how to install these so that you can get them like this. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to go on ahead and give you all 6 hairstyles on how I style these locks right here. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so obviously the first way I style them is like this, duh. So just with your normal middle part, just as easy as 1, 2, 3, very, very simple, but also very effective. I would wear this hairstyle to the grocery store, to the mall, whatever. And now, voila, here is the second hairstyle right here. We just flip it right here and there you go, you got your second hairstyle. It gives you a little bit more of that pizzazz effect. I mean, I don't even know what that sound was, but pizzazz sounds really jazzy, so I wanted to say pizzazz. So it gives you that like really like I am cute, but I'm on the go, so I really couldn't mess with my hair, but I'm gonna give you a little bit of this side profile a little bit. So here is the second hairstyle. Now let's go to the third hairstyle. So guys, this is my kind of loungewear look. This is what I like to wear when I'm just sitting around the house doing nothing. When I want these like off of my neck or out of my face, I'll just pull them up into this high messy bun and just, you know, relax, have my relaxation time and all of that. So this is, you know, my lazy style. The fourth hairstyle that we have is my second loungewear look. I just love these little space buns that I have in my hair right now because you all know that all the rage was highlighting your face. With the gradient color of these locks, bringing them up into these space buns and kind of highlighting the highlights on the bottom just bring out, I don't know guys, it just brings out like my eyes. This style right here guys is my style, okay? This is what you will catch me wearing most of the time that I have these in. This style is very, very versatile for if you're casually going out to eat during the day, going to brunch, or going to the grocery store. And as you can see, it fits very nicely in my evening attire as well. So this is a dress up, dress down style right here. So this one, needless to say, is my favorite and Rachel Angelica approved fave. And so this one has my heart, definitely. Then for our last and final hairstyle, wait, hold on, watch this. We'll just take this ponytail, twist it around, secure it back here in your ponytail holder, tuck away any of the like extra, and bam, there you go, a cute little half up, half down top knot. And this is another one of a Rachel Angelica faves because it is so easy, it transitions well, and it also gives you a little bit of variation with the top knot on top and then the Goldilocks on the bottom. So it is very easy for you, very easy to transition, and also, like I said before with the other one, it is very easy to transition from day to night. So that is the 6 easy and simple hairstyles that you can do with these Bobbi Boss Nu Locs. If you want to know more information about these locks, go to the description below. All the info will be there. Also, subscribe to the Bobbi Boss channel. And if you want to see more of me, my channel is Rachel Angelica, so go on ahead and subscribe there as well. Until next time, guys, I will see you guys later. Bye.